Hi, I'm Melissa Moan, a former preschool teacher who now develops educational games and learning activities for Peaceable Kingdom. I'm here today to share with you our Get Ready for Preschool with Monkey Around kit. Starting preschool can feel like a really big step, and this kit is designed to help both you and your child get ready in a fun and playful way. Think about your child and their interests, and let them be your guide when introducing this kit to them. Does your child like to get up and move? If so, then the Monkey Around activity may be a great place to start. This interactive activity is designed to help your child with their gross motor skills, spatial concepts, and vocabulary development. Does your child love doing things with their hands? Then you might want to start with the puzzle and lacing activity. The brightly colored wooden pieces are great for small hands to practice their fine motor skills. And puzzles are a fun and rewarding way to help teach young children patience and persistence as they rotate and turn the shapes until they fit perfectly into place. Does your child love to listen to you read books? Share the Wiggle, Giggle, Monkey Around book with them. Encourage them to turn the pages themselves. It's great fine motor practice. Engage them in the story and pictures by asking them questions or having them point out details on the pages. And don't forget to talk about feelings. When you're a toddler, feelings can be big or small. And learning about them and how to identify them is an important part of social emotional learning. Spend some time with the magnetic monkey face, making different faces and talking about the different feelings that could be related to those faces. We hope you enjoy helping your toddler learn through play. These early experiences will set the stage for a lifelong learning journey. Enjoy getting ready for preschool with Monkey Around.